Today in this video, I'm going to show you my process and setup for how I steam off a neck from an acoustic guitar. I broke it down into 3 simple steps, but first let me show you my setup. Here's my portable steamer. It's the tea kettle and a little electric stove, and I attached a hose to the lid. You have to get a hose that is heat rated. There's some hose that when you touch it with steam running through it, it'll burn your fingers, so you have to get the heat rated hose. And at the other end, I just attached a bicycle pump. Nothing fancy. This is all DIY stuff. I always keep the hose off to the side on some clamps that I have fastened to the bench. And here's my neck jig. This is homemade also. And then off to the side, what I always do is I set up a fan, blows the air in this direction so the steam doesn't scorch the finish on the guitar. It moves away from the guitar. And of course, you need a drill to drill a couple access holes to get down into the dovetail pocket. So the subject for today's neck removal is this Gibson Heritage. Let's do it to it. Here I'm just going around the fingerboard extension and the heel of the guitar. I'm just applying some heat to the fingerboard extension. I'm using a couple of different blades to work between the fingerboard and the top. I work it until I get to the body joint, then I know it's separated. Now I want to remove this 15th fret. Now with a really small drill bit, I'm going to drill through the board and hopefully hit the pocket. That felt pretty good. Okay, I think I hit the dovetail both times. Now I want to open up these holes so I can fit my steam needle down in there. Got some steam coming out the other side. That's always a good sign. Now I don't think I'm going to be able to use my neck jig. It's the one problem here because the bottom of that heel, it's got that pretty bad angle on it. Won't be able to get the jig to put any pressure on that. It's going to want to slide off. Now the thing about Gibson, sometimes this heel is glued right to the body, and that's what makes it a little bit more difficult. Let's try to see if I can get a blade between the body and that heel. Get this out. I think we're ready to come out here. Okay. There it is. Came out pretty clean. Got a little weird little insert right here. See that? You can see kind of nailed it with the 2 holes. It's got a little signature or something right there. STAS. There's also a stamp right there. Can't quite read that. Couldn't ask for anything better. Came off nice and clean. Just a little bit of blushing right here and right here, which that should go away. Maybe put a little alcohol on it. It's weird. It almost looks like they just had glue in the center. You can see the residue there. And I don't know what that hole is for. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. So there you have it. I guess you can say that's my neck removal process in a nutshell. So, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. If you don't like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really don't care one way or another, hit that subscribe button. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.